Canva just released yet another update to its Magic Studio suite, which includes several AI tools that help you design more efficiently. And honestly, I don't know about you guys, but it really feels like Canva might be taking over the graphic design industry or even the entire creative industry. With its flexibility and constant updates to its AI tools, you can now do almost anything in Canva with just a click or two. When I first started using Canva, I used to just drag random elements onto the canvas and hope it looked good. Sometimes it worked, most of the time it didn't. I didn't really understand why some designs looked clean and others felt messy. It honestly felt like I was stuck, like I wasn't improving even though I was practicing. That's exactly why we created these beginner-friendly Canva assets. These are designed to help you level up your designs faster while actually understanding what you're doing. Instead of guessing, you start recognizing which elements work, what combinations look good, and what people usually use in real designs. So if you want to stop feeling lost, save time, and finally improve your design skills with confidence, just click the link in the pinned comment down below and start seeing results as soon as you receive your assets. Now let's get into it. First, let's do the preliminaries. Head over to your Canva account, click Create on the left-hand panel, and choose any canvas size that matches your project. Once you have your blank canvas, go to Uploads and upload any photo. Then drag that image onto your canvas or simply click it, and it will instantly appear on your page. Once the image is selected, hover your cursor over the floating toolbar and click Edit. A panel will appear, and here you'll notice that Canva no longer labels this section as Magic Studio. Instead, it is now called Tools. Another thing you'll notice is that the AI tools are no longer placed inside a slider. Instead, they now appear as shortcut icons in a list of tools. If you click See All, you'll be able to view every tool organized by category. Let's start with the enhancing tools. This category still includes the familiar background remover and magic eraser, but Canva clearly thought about the common problems that designers and even non-designers usually face before adding these new AI tools. First on the list, we finally have an AI upscaler tool, which converts blurry images into higher resolution versions with just one click. Next, we have a blurring tool, which allows you to add a blur effect to any part of an image. After that, there's autofocus, which lets you choose which subject in your image should be highlighted. And finally, my personal favorite, Magic Retouch. This feature enhances the complexion of your face regardless of the angle, lighting, or background. With just one click, your image instantly looks more polished. You now know where to find Canva's updated AI tools and how some of the new enhancing tools work inside the new tools panel. If you want to know more about these tools, how to use them, and how they compare to other apps available in Canva that have similar functions, stay tuned and watch the next part, which you'll find in the pinned comments down below. Most people are using the wrong upscaler in Canva, and it's ruining their image quality. In this video, we're putting Magic Upscale and the Image Upscaler app head to head to find out which one actually gives better results. Let's start with accessibility. When it comes to ease of access, Magic Upscale clearly wins. All you have to do is add your image, click Edit, and then hit the Upscale button directly from the left-hand panel. Everything is already built in, so the process is fast and seamless. On the other hand, with the Image Upscaler app, the process takes a few extra steps. After adding your image, you need to go to Apps, type Image Upscaler in the search bar, wait for it to load, open the app, and only then can you start upscaling your image. Because of that, in round 1, Magic Upscale wins without a doubt. Now let's move on to flexibility. With Magic Upscale, once you click it, the built-in AI automatically decides how much your image will be enhanced. This is convenient, but it also means you don't have control over the final file size. Keep in mind that the clearer the image, the larger the file size becomes. This is where the Image Upscaler app takes the lead. Before processing your image, it allows you to choose how much you want to upscale it, from 2 times all the way up to 16 times its original resolution. Because of that level of control, round 2 goes to the Image Upscaler app. Finally, let's talk about quality. Which one actually produces better results? Honestly, both tools perform the same core function. However, even though the Image Upscaler app can scale up to 16 times, the Magic Upscale tool tends to produce images with better depth and less blur. So when it comes to overall output quality, Magic Upscale still comes out on top. And that's it. You now know the differences between Magic Upscale and the Image Upscaler app in terms of accessibility, flexibility, and overall quality, and which one you should use depending on your needs. If you want to know more about these tools, how to use them, and how they compare to other apps available in Canva that have similar functions, stay tuned and watch the next part, which you'll find in the pinned comments down below. If your subject looks messy, your edges look off, or your background blur just doesn't feel right, chances are you're using the wrong feature. In this video, we're putting Magic Autofocus versus Blur Background app head to head to see which one actually gives you that clean, professional look. Let's start with accessibility. Just like in the previous comparison, Magic Autofocus is much easier to access. Simply add your image, click Edit, and select Autofocus directly from the Tools panel. Everything is already built in, making the process fast and seamless. On the other hand, the Blur Background app requires a few extra steps. After adding your image, you need to go to Apps, search for Blur Background, wait for it to load, and then open the app before you can even start editing. Because of this, in round 1, Magic Autofocus clearly wins. Now let's move on to flexibility. This is where Magic Autofocus really dominates. It allows you to choose exactly which subject you want to focus on by adjusting the focus position slider. On top of that, you can also control how strong the blur effect is, giving you full creative control. Meanwhile, the Blur Background app is much more limited. You don't have precise control over which areas get blurred, which can be frustrating if you're trying to achieve a specific look. Because of that, round 2 also goes to Magic Autofocus. Finally, let's talk about quality. Magic Autofocus produces cleaner edges and more natural-looking blur, making your subject stand out in a more polished way. The Blur Background app, on the other hand, applies a more general blur, and since you can't fully control it, the result can look less refined. And that's it. You now know the differences between Magic Autofocus and the Blur Background app in terms of accessibility, flexibility, and why Magic Autofocus is the better choice for cleaner, more professional results. If you want to know more about these tools, how to use them, and how they compare to other apps available in Canva that have similar functions, stay tuned and watch the next part, which you'll find in the pinned comments down below. What if I told you that you don't need expensive editing apps or advanced skills to get professional looking photos in seconds? In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best combos inside Canva's latest update that can instantly transform your images using Magic Face Retouch and Auto Adjust. This tool is perfect for enhancing facial features with just one click. It smooths out skin, improves lighting on the face, and gives your subject a cleaner and more polished look without making it feel over-edited. It works no matter the angle, lighting condition, or background, which makes it incredibly reliable for quick edits. Now let's pair that with Auto Adjust. After enhancing the face, Auto Adjust takes care of the overall image by balancing brightness, contrast, and colors automatically. Instead of manually tweaking every setting, this tool instantly improves the entire photo, making everything look more vibrant and well balanced. When you combine these two tools, you get the best of both worlds. Magic Face Retouch focuses on making your subject look better, while Auto Adjust enhances the entire image. The result is a clean, professional, and eye-catching photo done in just a few clicks. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You have now learned one of the best Canva tool combinations using Auto Adjust and Magic Face Retouch. If you want to know more about these tools, how to use them, and how they compare to other apps available in Canva that have similar functions, stay tuned and watch the next part, which you'll find in the pinned comments down below. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.